Welcome to your dashboard. To start creating your first quiz, click on the Create Quiz button at the top. Or, if you'd like to organize your quizzes, you can create a new workspace from the left menu. You can also explore shared content by clicking on Discover, just below your workspaces. Inside the Discover tab, you'll find featured brands and collections to explore. To view a brand's quizzes, simply click on its logo. Here you'll find a collection of the brand's themed quizzes. Select a quiz. If you'd like to use it, just click Copy and Play to get started. Then, choose which workspace you'd like the quiz to be saved in. Once copied, the quiz opens in the editor, where you can view and adjust all of its questions. In the Reports tab, you can track all of your quizzes,